Let's explore on how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox without using an email. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to log into your Roblox account. And from here, on your dashboard, go to the upper icon cog setting right here. Click on that and go to that option. Now from here, you need to hover down to security and then you need to turn off email. All right. Say for example, this one, if it's like turned on, right? All you're going to do is turn it off. And it's the same process. You can select yes and check your email for the verification code. And again, enter the verification code and select verify. And it's the same process for the authenticator app. If you don't want it, just click on off or turn it on if you wanted. And say, for example, you have verified the code, the two-factor verification will be turned off. And whenever you log into Roblox, you don't have to enter a 2FA code. And the thing is, if you want to turn off two-step verification on Roblox without logging an email, this is the same process, all right? In that scenario, it's a little bit slightly different. From here, here's how to turn off step verification on Roblox without logging in or email. You need to go to roblox.com/support. And from there, you need to enter your username, as you can see it from the contact information form, email address, and select the device that you can't log in on Roblox. And you can select the reasons that you wanted. Say, for example, this one, what device you're having problem on. Is it PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, Android tablet, Amazon device, Xbox, and a lot more. And say, for example, your account was hacked or you can't simply log in, and explain here, all right, that you cannot log in on Roblox because you lost access to your email address and cannot get a verification code. Say, for example, this one. All right, cannot log in, and submit the form and wait for the Roblox response. And most of the time they will allow you to do it. And that's how you turn off two-step verification on Roblox without logging in using an email. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.